welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review MYSTI-BOX from Fashitude for October month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that it's a jewelry subscription box. Price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees, but don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can get 5% off. The coupon code is RITU5. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box with the buying link of Fashitude. And one more thing, if you want to buy the last month's edition, which is September month's box, so you can get discount up to 100 rupees by using a code which is RITU100. So if you use this code, you will save 100 rupees. I will be mentioning this as well with the other code and with the buying link in the description box. So you guys can check everything in the description box. And in the end, of course, it's a jewelry subscription box. I will be creating a lookbook, so stay connected. Now let's start with the first jewelry in the box, which is the most beautiful jewelry, I guess. And I absolutely loved it. And I know even you're gonna love it. Just have a look. It's a choker kind of a neck piece here with this charm design and with this mirror thing here. So it's a mirror jewelry with the charm design and it's a choker. So it's a combination of many things, and our overall look is just amazing. I'm loving it. Let me just wear it and show you the look. This is the look. These are the earrings. You can just see these earrings are looking so pretty and they will go so well with your Indian suits, saris, lehenga. In fact, they will look stunning. And this is the choker neck piece. And of course, you can tighten it, which I think I have not done it properly. But this is the overall design. So yes, I'm loving it. Beautiful jewelry. And I'm so happy. This is the first, definitely the first favorite in the box. Let me just remove this and then we'll move on to the next one. Now let's move on to the next one, and the next one are again very pretty jhumki kind of earrings, multicolor ones. So you can wear them with anything, I guess. You can just see the colors, yeah. So it's oxidized silver with different colors here. Let me just wear one and show you the look. They are again going to look very good with Indian and definitely with Western also you can wear them. And this is the look. Wow, so pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these. These are the party earrings, I can say. And the color, you can just see it's reddish, maroonish kind of a color. And it's a feather earring, you can just see here. So let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is how it looks. These are feather earrings. Of course, they are super light on your hair. And the look is pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these pearl earrings with some gold hair. So let me just show you that. Wait, this got stuck here. Okay, let me show you the other one. Just see this one. This got stuck here. I have to actually rotate it. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's done. So this is the style. Let me just wear one and show you the look. These are quite simple yet very classy, I would say, because plain gold with a pearl. I love pearl jewelry, so yes, I'm liking it. And this is how it looks. So they are perfect for daily wear. And of course, color wise, they are super safe. You can wear them with anything, like any shade, I would say, because pearl and gold is the color. Now I'm left with the second last thing actually. It's again a gold with some black and the silverish stone kind of a thing. Let me just wear it and show you. These are again perfect for daily wear. And of course, if you want to wear them on some special occasions, yes, you can actually just match them with some of your outfits and you can wear them. And they look super cute. Just see. Yes, pretty. Perfect for daily wear for me. Now I'm left with the last thing, and the last thing is not a jewelry this time. I have these cute rubber bands here. So you can just see They are super cute. The color is pink here. So yes, I like it. Of course, very, very, very useful product. So yes, happy with this one. And this is the last product which I've got in my mystery box from Fashitude. If you ask me, I've already told you, I guess, my first favorite are these jhumkis, not jhumkis actually, these earrings with the choker. And the second one are, of course, these pretty jhumki earrings. These are multicolor, so of course they will go with everything. And then the third one are these very pretty earrings. So that's all what I've got. And yes, as I said, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. Plus, I will be attaching a lookbook, so stay connected for that. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.